Hey everyone, today we're unboxing a brand new piece of gear, the Suzumar 240 OSL Inflatable Boat. Our dockmaster Ryan is here to walk us through all the goodies packed inside. Here's what's included: a seat, 2 oars, 2 oar locks, a foot pump, a repair kit, a sturdy transom for engine mounting, a carry bag, and of course, an owner's manual. Right out of the box, you get everything you need to get started. Now, let's talk specs. The Suzumar 240 OSL is a compact but durable 7.9 foot inflatable with a width of 5 feet, providing a stable and comfortable ride. This carbon slat boat is built with 2 air chambers and features a tube diameter of 1.4 feet, which not only adds stability but also safety. Weighing in at just 67.7 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to transport while still holding a maximum load of 992 pounds. One great thing about this model is its engine capacity. The Suzumar 240 OSL supports a maximum of 5 horsepower with an engine weight limit of 88 pounds. That's more than enough for a smooth cruising on the lake or even a bit of coastline exploration. Inside, there's an inner length of 4.7 feet and an inner width of 2.2 feet, giving you and up to 2 friends plenty of room to enjoy the water. So there you have it. The Suzumar 240 OSL has everything you need for a fun and worry-free day out on the water. It's easy to set up, built to last, and super portable. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing and boating tips from us here at Yacht Services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.